Hello children, good morning to everybody. Are you seeing to me? Yes. Then open the textbook, page number 23. This is the supplementary lesson. First I already told you this lesson, the tiger and the mosquito, about the story. One story I told you already. This is another one. In that lesson only, all birds cannot fly. Supplementary lesson only. This is for reading. Yes. Now I am telling you a dictation word. This is the unit 2. What is the name of the lesson, children? All birds cannot fly. All birds cannot fly. Yes. Now I am telling dictation words. Gloomy. Gloomy means what? Sad. Looking very sad. Depressed. Looking depressed. So not happy. Yes, gloomy means proud. Proud means feeling pleased with one's achievement. If someone did some achievement in some sports, some competition, then you are feeling what? Feel. That is called proud. Then swift. Swift meaning quick, very fast, sudden. Swift means what? Quick and sudden. Then fourth one is compete. Compete means take a part in the contest or competition. We have to compete with others, other classmates in the competition. Yes, in the running race we have to compete with others, with our classmates. Then by competing in that we get some what? Prize. We get some rank. First, then second rank, like that we have to compete. Take a part in that competition. Fifth one is yard. Yard means this is unit of measurement. This is one of the unit of measurement. Yes, here 3 feet is equal to 1 gaja. 1 gaja kannada. The 3 feet. This means yard means 3 feet. Here in this lesson. 3 feet distance, that is called measurement, yard. This is called what? Yard. Here I am reading the lesson here. An ostrich was sitting with gloomy face in a forest. Where it is sitting? Ostrich. Which bird here sitting? Here ostrich is sitting in a forest. With how it was sitting? It was sitting with a gloomy face. Gloomy face means sad face. So it is looking sad by seeing this ostrich face. It was how? It was so sad. Then a hen came there. By that time, who came there? Here, by that time, a hen came there. The hen saw the ostrich. The hen saw the ostrich. They talked to each other. It talked to the ostrich. Friend talked to ostrich. Then hen talked to ostrich. Then what did they talk about? Read on. There the speaking is going on here with discussion of ostrich and some other birds here in this lesson. So I am reading here. First character is ostrich, then hen, then peacock. These are birds. These are birds. Discussion in that bird, 3 birds were going on here. They are expressing their ideas about their inability to fly high, because ostrich cannot fly so high. It fly some feet forward only, and also can't able to fly high in the sky. Here also peacock also, it can dance nicely, but it cannot fly high above the sky. So they are expressing their ideas, inability, whatever the abilities in them, inabilities in them, they are discussing with each other. Here first one, hen told that, good morning ostrich, how are you? It came there in a forest and asked to ostrich. It told what? Good morning ostrich, how are you? How are you? Are you well? It asks. Then ostrich told, boo boo called boo 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 boo. I am sad, I am sad. By their sound it understood that I am sad, I am sad. Ostrich said, I am sad. Then hen asked again, sad, why? What is the matter for sadness? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? It asked to ostrich. Hen asked to ostrich. Then ostrich answered that I am not happy with God. I am not happy with God. God is there, but they did not given the grace to me. I am so sad because I am angry with Him. I am angry with God. Why? Why are you angry with God? Hen asked then. Why? What did He do? What He did? Why you sad on the God? Then ostrich answered that He has given me wings. The God has given the wings to ostrich, but can't fly. But I cannot fly. Then in the sky, look at those birds. Those birds are flying high in the sky, but I can't do like that. I can't fly high in the sky. So I am sad, but I have the wings. I can't able to fly high. It said then and oh, that is the matter. Yes, you are worrying about flying. Yes. So why if you can't fly? Why? So what? Or if you can't fly, then what? What is the reason? So look at me. I also not flying high. Look at me. I am also a bird. I am also a bird. I have the wings, but even I can't fly. But even also I can't fly at all. Hen said by telling the answer. Then ostrich told again the answer. Maybe, but I wish I could fly. If I wish I could fly, so many other birds can fly. But so many other birds can fly. But I wish I could fly. Boo 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 boo, I am sad, I can't fly. But I am sad because of I can't fly. Then hen said, oh, don't worry, don't think about that. Don't worry about that. You can do so many things. Instead of that flying, you are doing some other activities. You are expert in that. What are activities you are doing? You can do so many things that other birds cannot do, but they cannot do that. Birds cannot do anything, but you can do. You should be proud. You should be proud that you are the largest and swiftest bird. You are largest and swiftest bird in the birds. You are the swiftest running bird. You can run fast, but cannot fly only. You have some abilities in you. You are the largest and swiftest running bird. It said and said, no bird can compete with you. If some competition will kept, you will come in running, you will come first rank. Then you will get the first prize. If other bird cannot run so fast, then and yes, there is one more thing that you should be proud of. Then you should be proud of one more thing. What is that one more thing? Here Peacock said, hello everybody. Friend hen, you were saying that ostrich should be proud of one more thing. He is the swiftest and largest running bird. Another one advantage will be there in them. What is the one more thing special in that ostrich? Here, what that one more thing? Peacock asked. Then hen said, the ostrich lays a very largest eggs of all birds. It lays largest eggs compared to the other birds' eggs. These ostrich eggs are so largest. Here, this is also one more thing special in the ostrich. They weigh many kilograms. That what eggs weight will be many kilograms. Then ostrich, that's What is that? I can't fly. I can't fly. Then peacock said to ostrich that, oh, come on. What it said? Come on, don't be so sad. Because it was so sad. So it told it what? Told that, don't worry. You are looking so very sad. Don't worry about you. Look at me. See me. Who said this? Peacock said this. Don't worry. Look at me. I also can't fly so high. I can dance beautifully. I have so colorful feathers in me. But I also can't fly so high. Look at me. It said. Who said? Peacock said. But I can fly only a few yards. 3 feet only I can fly. It said. Peacock said, I can't fly so high in the sky. Peacock said again. Then, and you might be surprised to know. You might be surprised to know, but there is many other birds who cannot fly. They cannot fly at all. Which birds cannot fly? Penguin bird cannot fly. So, we should satisfy ourselves. So that whatever qualities will be there, we should satisfy ourselves. It said. Ostrich said, wiping its tears, it started weeping. That time it satisfied itself and wiping its tears. Looking surprised. Now it is so happy by what? Hearing the words of the hand and the peacock. It is satisfied. Now it is wiping the tears and looking very happy. Really, many others can you tell me who are those birds cannot fly, can't fly at all? Can you tell me? Then hen said, sure, kiwi cannot fly at all. You can fly 3 feet aside, but the kiwi bird can't fly at all for 1 feet at all. Penguin can hardly fly. It can hardly fly only. They live on the snow. Where it lives? It lives on the snow area. And they are all very happy. They are all very happy. They can't fly at all, but they are very happy. Why are you sad? Don't be sad. You will be very happy like the kiwi bird. Then don't feel sad at all. The hen said to ostrich. Then ostrich, oh, is that so? Yes, is that so? Then I will not feel sad anymore. Now I am not worrying about what disadvantages. If I can't fly, I am not feeling so sad. Jumps around with relief. Now I am happy. Now I am happy like the kiwi bird. Yes, now I know all the birds cannot fly. Now it came to me in front of me by hearing in your mouth some birds cannot fly. So now I am happy. Oh, I am happy. I am happy. It said. Who said? Ostrich said. Then lastly it agreed. It agreed it will be happy. But gloomy face. Firstly it will be gloomy. Afterwards by asking the talks of the hen and peacock. Lastly it will be so happy. Satisfied itself. Yes, now I am happy. Now I am happy, it said. Now you listen this supplementary test I already completed now. Then in next class I am continuing you the question answers, fill in the blanks, match the following, everything. Thank you children.